Greetings everyone, I'm Carrie Gregg and welcome back to the Brian Fagan YouTube channel. We are here to break down the legal complexities to keep you informed. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic for those navigating the challenging waters of divorce: court fees in Texas. Stick around as we explore the ins and outs of the fees associated with divorce proceedings in the Lone Star State. Okay, divorce can be very stressful, and we all know that. Understanding the financial aspects, especially court fees, is essential. In this comprehensive guide, we'll cover the various fees you might encounter during a divorce in Texas and shed light on the intricacies of the legal process. Okay, to make this more tangible, let's consider a real-life scenario. Imagine a couple, John and Sarah, seeking a divorce in Texas. They have agreed on the most aspects of it, but there are a few points of contention, such as child custody arrangements and the division of assets. As they embark on this journey, they'll be facing court fees, and we'll be breaking those fees down based on their situation. Now let's dive into the specific court fees and many of you may encounter a divorce in Texas. From filing fees to service fees, we'll explore each one, providing clarity on what to expect and how these fees contribute to the overall cost of the divorce process. Filing fees are a fundamental part of initiating the divorce proceedings. In Texas, the filing fees varies from county to county, so it's crucial to know the specific costs associated with that jurisdiction. We'll discuss how these fees are determined and their significance in getting your case officially started. Service fees come into play when serving papers on the other party. This process ensures that both parties are officially notified of the legal proceeding. Beyond filing and service fees, there are additional costs depending on the unique circumstances of your divorce case. These can include mediation costs, parenting classes, court-ordered assessments. Understanding these potential expenses is really key to effective financial planning during your divorce process. For more of an in-depth understanding of court fees for divorce in Texas, I recommend checking out the comprehensive guide on Brian Fagan's website. This link is in the description below for your convenience. So in conclusion, divorce fees, court costs in Texas can be a significant aspect of the process, and understanding them is very crucial to be informed in your decision making. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more legal insights and updates. Thank you for joining me today, and we will demystify the divorce court fees in Texas. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to navigating the legal complexities of divorce. Until next time, I'm Carrie Gregg, signing off.
Thanks for tuning in to the end. We understand that divorce can be expensive depending on the situation. That's why we're offering our Do-It-Yourself Texas Divorce e-course. You can get access to this e-course by clicking on the link in the description below. Catch you in the next video.